We are here at the park. A little breezier than I like. We're going to try a couple of maidens, maybe. If I don't crash, knock wood. Doing a 4S 850 battery. And everything should be good. We hope. I hope this is lined up right. I'm not going to talk much, I don't think. And she's in the air. Flies pretty good. And that was that. What happened there? Not even sure. We'll have to dice. I'm sure it was something I did. But okay, we got to do a little rebuild. Okay. Yep, got to do a little rebuild. Yeah. Such is life. This is why I print them, because I like to play with this stuff. I should be able to fix that without reprinting the whole plane. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. I see what happened. We can fix that later. Now we'll try another maiden. How's that sound?